joining two Ethernet cables, strip and solder, or buy an adapter. I need to connect two Ethernet cables together. Right now, neither end is terminated. I think my two options are to either terminate both ends and then use something like this RJ45 coupler F/F straight connector, or to just strip each wire and join them, either by twisting or soldering them together. Is either way clearly better than the other?
Cat5e/6 junction boxes are available for splicing cables without needing to terminate, twist, or solder. Junction boxes are better for permanent cabling, as they're more secure than terminated ends paired with a coupler, or twisted/soldered. Cables with these junction boxes won't be pulled apart at the splice point, unlike with other splice methods. Examples: punch-down junction box, punch-down 110 block, punch-down shielded 110 block. Note: I've never actually purchased from any of these particular storefronts. I'm simply linking to them to show examples of junction boxes.
In a pinch, I've been known to strip it, twist the inner wires together, and wrap with electrical tape. It's a ghetto solution, but effective if you do not move the cable around too much. That being said, that coupler is like $2, so it seems like you have several good options.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.